The Ketogenic Diet, a detailed beginner's guide to keto. Keto basics. The ketogenic diet is a very low-carb, a high-fat diet that shares many similarities with the Atkins and low-carb diets. It involves drastically reducing carbohydrate intake and replacing it with fat. This reduction in carbs puts your body into a metabolic state called ketosis. When this happens, your body becomes incredibly efficient at burning fat for energy. It also turns fat into ketones in the liver, which can supply energy for the brain, sixth trusted source. Ketogenic diets can cause significant reductions in blood sugar and insulin levels. What is ketosis? There are several versions of the keto diet. The standard, SKD, version is the most researched and most recommended. Ketogenic diets can help you lose weight. A ketogenic diet can help you lose slightly more weight than a low-fat diet. This often happens with less hunger. Ketogenic diets for diabetes and prediabetes. Diabetes is characterized by changes in metabolism, high blood sugar, and impaired insulin function. The ketogenic diet can help you lose excess fat, which is closely linked to type 2 diabetes, prediabetes, and metabolic syndrome. One older study found that the ketogenic diet improved insulin sensitivity by a whopping 75%. A small study in women with type 2 diabetes also found that following a ketogenic diet for 90 days significantly reduced levels of hemoglobin A1c, which is a measure of long-term blood sugar management. Another study in 349 people with type 2 diabetes found that those who followed a ketogenic diet lost an average of 26.2 pounds, 11.9 kilograms, over a 2-year period. What's more, they also experienced improved blood sugar management, and the use of certain blood sugar medications decreased among participants throughout the course of the study. Other health benefits of keto. The ketogenic diet actually originated as a tool for treating neurological diseases such as epilepsy. Studies have now shown that the diet can have benefits for a wide variety of different health conditions. Heart disease. The ketogenic diet can help improve risk factors like body fat, HDL, good cholesterol levels, blood pressure, and blood sugar. Cancer. The diet is currently being explored as an additional treatment for cancer, because it may help slow tumor growth. Alzheimer's disease. The keto diet may help reduce symptoms of Alzheimer's disease and slow its progression. Epilepsy. Research has shown that the ketogenic diet can cause significant reductions in seizures in epileptic children. Parkinson's disease. Although more research is needed, one study found that the diet helped improve symptoms of Parkinson's disease. Polycystic ovary syndrome. The ketogenic diet can help reduce insulin levels, which may play a key role in polycystic ovary syndrome. Brain injuries. Some research suggests that the diet could improve outcomes of traumatic brain injuries. Foods to avoid. Avoid carb-based foods like grains, sugars, legumes, rice, potatoes, candy, juice, and even most fruits. Foods to eat. Base the majority of your diet on foods such as meat, fish, eggs, butter, nuts, healthy oils, avocados, and plenty of low-carb veggies. Healthy keto snacks. Great snacks for a keto diet include pieces of meat, cheese, olives, boiled eggs, nuts, raw veggies, and dark chocolate. Keto tips and tricks. Reading food labels, planning your meals ahead, and bringing your own foods when visiting family and friends can make it much easier to stick to the ketogenic diet. Tips for eating out on a ketogenic diet. When eating out, select meat, fish, or egg-based dish. Order extra veggies instead of carbs or starches, and have cheese for dessert. Side effects and how to minimize them. Although the ketogenic diet is usually safe for most healthy people, there may be some initial side effects while your body adapts. There's some anecdotal evidence of these effects, often referred to as the keto flu. Based on reports from some on the eating plan, it's usually over within a few days. Reported keto flu symptoms include diarrhea, constipation, and vomiting. Other less common symptoms include poor energy and mental function, increased hunger, sleep issues, nausea, Digestive discomfort. Decreased exercise performance. To minimize this, you can try a regular low-carb diet for the first few weeks. This may teach your body to burn more fat before you completely eliminate carbs. A ketogenic diet can also change the water and mineral balance of your body, so adding extra salt to your meals or taking mineral supplements may help. Talk to your doctor about your nutritional needs. At least in the beginning, it's important to eat until you're full and avoid restricting calories too much. Usually, a ketogenic diet causes weight loss without intentional calorie restriction. Risks of the keto diet. Staying on the keto diet in the long term may have some negative, including risks of the following. Low protein in the blood, extra fat in the liver, kidney stones, micronutrient deficiencies. A type of medication called sodium glucose cotransporter 2, SGLT2, inhibitors for type 2 diabetes can increase the risk for diabetic ketoacidosis, a dangerous condition that increases blood acidity. Anyone taking this medication should avoid the keto diet. More research is being done to determine the safety of the keto diet in the long term. Keep your doctor informed of your eating plan to guide your choices. Supplements for a ketogenic diet. Although no supplements are required, some can be useful. MCT oil. Added to drinks or yogurt, MCT oil provides energy and helps increase ketone levels. Minerals. Added salt and other minerals can be important when starting out due to shifts in water and mineral balance. Caffeine. Caffeine can have benefits for energy, fat loss, and performance. Exogenous ketones. This supplement may help raise the body's ketone levels. Creatine. Creatine provides numerous benefits for health and performance. This can help if you are combining a ketogenic diet with exercise. Whey. Use half a scoop of whey protein in shakes or yogurt to increase your daily protein intake. Frequently asked questions. Here are answers to some of the most common questions about the ketogenic diet. 1. Can I ever eat carbs again? Yes. However, it's important to significantly reduce your carb intake initially. After the first 2 to 3 months, you can eat carbs on special occasions, just return to the diet immediately after. 2. Will I lose muscle? There's a risk of losing some muscle on any diet. However, protein intake and high ketone levels may help minimize muscle loss, especially if you lift weights. 3. Can I build muscle on a ketogenic diet? Yes, but it may not work as well as on a moderate carb diet. 4. How much protein can I eat? Protein should be moderate, as a very high intake can spike insulin levels and lower ketones. Around 35% of total calorie intake is probably the upper limit. 5. What if I am constantly tired, weak, or fatigued? You may not be in full ketosis or be utilizing fats and ketones efficiently. To counter this, lower your carb intake and revisit the points above. A supplement like MCT oil or ketones may also help. 6. My urine smells fruity. Why is this? Don't be alarmed. This is simply due to the excretion of byproducts created during ketosis. 7. My breath smells. What can I do? This is a common side effect. Try drinking naturally flavored water or chewing sugar-free gum. 8. I heard ketosis was extremely dangerous. Is this true? People often confuse ketosis with ketoacidosis. Ketoacidosis is dangerous, but ketosis on a ketogenic diet is usually fine for healthy people. Speak to your doctor before starting any new diet. 9. I have digestion issues and diarrhea. What can I do? This common side effect usually passes after 3 to 4 weeks. If it persists, try eating more high-fiber veggies. The bottom line: a ketogenic diet can be great for people who are overweight, have diabetes, are looking to improve their metabolic health. It may be less suitable for elite athletes or those wishing to add large amounts of muscle or weight. It may also not be sustainable for some people's lifestyles and preferences. Speak with your doctor about your eating plan and goals to decide if a keto eating plan right for you. If you like to learn more about your health, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell below. Thanks for watching.